What if I told you that even $10 could be the first step toward building real wealth? You might think, how can just $10 make a difference? The answer is consistency and time. Instead of trying to get rich quickly, focus on investing a small amount regularly and letting your money potentially grow over the years. This is where compound growth becomes important. Your returns can potentially earn returns of their own over time. Imagine starting small and then adding money every month. Over many years, those contributions can potentially add up significantly. But remember, investing is not a guaranteed way to make money. The market can go up and it can also go down. For US investors, there are different options, including 401ks, IRAs, and brokerage accounts. The important thing is to understand what you're investing in, including the risks, fees, and potential taxes. And don't believe anyone promising to turn $10 into thousands of dollars overnight. There is no guaranteed shortcut. The real goal is to build a habit. Invest consistently, stay patient, and think long term. Even if you start with a small amount, learning about money and investing today can help you make better financial decisions tomorrow. So don't focus only on how much you can invest today. Focus on building a strategy you can maintain for years. Because wealth building is usually not about one big move. It's about many small, disciplined decisions. Before investing, consider your financial goals, emergency savings, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Cryptocurrency can be highly volatile. And always do your own research or consider speaking with a qualified financial professional. So can $10 make you rich instantly? No. But can $10 help you start an investing habit? Absolutely. Start small, stay consistent, and think long term. Follow for more simple money and investing tips for the US.